Hi, I'm going to demonstrate MT-813. And first, fill in the gas from the bottom. Okay. And then press the safety lock to the right. Okay. Then press the gas to the middle, like this. And then press the fire, like this. To continue the fire, press this button to the right, let it go, just like this. And this is hot flame, and if you want to have soft flame, just press here. Hot flame, soft flame, hot flame, soft flame. Okay, to time out, just press the continue flame to the left. Okay, then press the safety lock to the left.